This video will teach you how to search the library catalog for ebooks. To begin with, go to the library's homepage at www.kirkwood.edu/library. On the middle of the page, you will find a rectangular box right below the words "Search Here." This is the library's catalog, and it is where you can find books, ebooks, journal articles, and videos. If you know the type of source you want, you can select it at the top. If not, leave it defaulted to everything. Then enter your search words into the rectangular box. I'm going to do a simple search for palliative care. Now you'll see the results appear. On the left side of the screen, you will see search tools. If you scroll down, you will see the word year. If you want a current ebook, only published within the last 5 years, you can click here. The screen updates. If you only want an ebook, under Format, click on Ebook. Now all of our ebooks have appeared within or been published within the last 5 years. And we have no more print books. So let's choose one to look at. I will pick this first one. Click on View eBook. And you get some more information about the book. Here we have a description. You can look here to see if this book is something you really want to take the time reading. Then on the left side, you can click EPUB Full Text. Sometimes it will appear as PDF full text, but this is what you want. Now the book appears as if you had it in front of you. On the left side, you can see the sections, or you can click on Table of Contents. If you're interested in a particular chapter, you can click here, and it brings you directly to that chapter. You can also do that from the left side by clicking on the sections if they appear, or clicking directly on the chapter. So there are 2 ways to get to the chapter you want. You can also go to Search Within. I will put in the word chronic pain. Then anywhere that these words appear in the book will show. You want to click on Relevancy. And then to get to that word, click on View Page. And where it appears, the word will come up. So an easy way to look within the book. You can also email the pages to yourself. If you wanted the whole section, you could click here. Or if you just wanted so many pages, you could click on this one. Then email the PDF to yourself. You can also print the pages, but you'll notice there is a limit of 100, so you cannot print the whole section. You would click this, and then you could say the next 35 pages in print. You've also got a citation helper, and then you can scroll down to MLA or APA. You can copy and paste this citation into a Word document, but remember, these are not 100% correct, so always make your own changes. Then, if you want, you can go back to your search results and try another ebook. Whenever searching databases, like this library catalog, if you are not happy with the results, you can change your keywords or consult a librarian.